Hey guys, in this video we'll be seeing how to enter the trademark symbol, the copyright symbol and the registered symbol. Okay, so these are particularly signs and you can also call them as symbols. Okay, after any text you sometimes see a C inside a circle, that is of copyright sign. Okay, so how to give that? By directly putting in some signs and alphabets, you can directly give those symbols. Now usually what people do, they go to the insert menu under this ribbon and they go to the symbol section. From here they will find that copyright symbol. See, this is the copyright symbol, this is the registered sign, and this is the trademark sign. They will manually select signs from this section. But what if they don't use this sign frequently? Only signs which are used frequently are appeared in this section. So if these signs are not present in this section, they will go to the more symbol section and then they will find those symbols and then enter. Okay, so this takes much time. Okay, so in order to reduce your the time and the wastage, okay, you have to directly do this procedure. First of all, I wish to give a copyright sign in front of this name. So what I'll do, I'll open the bracket. Okay, I'll open the bracket, I'll type in C. Now a capital C or a small c is required, is not absolutely required. You can give any alphabet, whether it might be small or capital, doesn't matter. Just type in the alphabet for which you have to give the sign. Copyright, for copyright it is C, so I'll be typing in C and then close the bracket. It will directly give the copyright sign. So here's how we do it. After that we'll see how to give the registered sign. For registered, the alphabet is R and bracket close. Okay, so this will give you registered sign. Now all of the three signs require a opening bracket and a closing bracket, and in between those brackets you need some alphabets according to the sign. Okay, for copyright it is C, for registered it is R, and for trademark it is TM. Okay, so in this way you can give these different signs: copyright sign, registered sign and trademark sign. So that's it guys from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section.